Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite dessert, a super easy confection, a perfect summer treat, Japanese coffee jelly, the real deal. I'm Mika from mika'stinyKitchen.com. Ready? Brew your favorite strong coffee. My husband and I love the richness of percolated coffee, which works well here. Pour 2 cups of the coffee into a saucepan and bring just to the start of a simmer. Remove from the heat. Put 7 grams of gelatin, 1 packet, in a small bowl and add 3 tablespoons of water and soak until the water is absorbed. Add the gelatin mixture and a 1/4 cup of sugar into the hot coffee. Stir and mix well. Make sure the gelatin is fully dissolved. Who wants lumpy jelly? Use your favorite serving cups. Mine, shown here, are 8 ounces. I put a half cup in each glass, leaving room for the sweetened cream and garnish. Some folks prefer not to have the bubbles in the finished jelly, but simple is best. I just left them since I served in a glass and they are covered with sweetened cream. Let the liquid cool and then refrigerate for about 4 hours or until they get nice and firm. Add 1 cup of heavy cream to a mixing bowl and sweeten to your preference. Then beat with a handheld mixer using a low setting. Until a light frothy but a peak sweetened cream emerges, as I show here. Take the coffee jelly out of the refrigerator. Gently add 3 to 4 tablespoons of the delicious sweetened cream on top of each serving. Add a fresh mint leaf to each jelly cup for a lovely garnish. So pretty, isn't it? Beautiful, easy, and tasty. This is so good. Family and friends will be wanting more for sure. I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching my video.